Madam Speaker, the sugar industry was once Jamaica's major employer, and its demise has left a terrible vacuum in parts of Jamaica, including Westmoreland and Clarendon, where the sugar industry was once dominant. The social and economic transformation of these communities has been quite inadequate, and this has, of course, contributed to the spread of violent crime in these parishes, in what was once very peaceful communities. We will establish a commission to examine the situation faced by these communities in former sugar areas and develop a comprehensive plan for the economic revitalization of those areas. The objective is to provide new employment and entrepreneurial opportunities for displaced sugar workers, cane farmers, and their families to earn an honest living so they can live in dignity. Proper and dignified relocation arrangements must be put in place for the families of former sugar workers whose tenure on sugar lands is tenuous and who have been subjected to ad hoc and inhumane episodes of relocation by this government. I'm thinking of the many people in Innswood who have suffered from the way in which their relocations have been handled.